Hello, welcome back. As I was saying on my other video, I was hoping the D-mode switch for the Rmax2 would come in, and it did. So we're going to install that. It's going to be real simple. I'm going to show you about the plug and play, and we'll get the hood off and we'll get started. Okay, we got the hood off. Got to take these bolts out. There's one underneath there. There's one there. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10 millimeter bolts. I've already took most of them out. Kind of thought it'd be a boring video. You guys just watch me take the bolts out for the last 5 minutes. So I'll get this last bolt out. Have a nice place to put. One thing I do want to say is these clips go up on these tabs right here. Be very careful when you're prying these up not to break that. You just fold that down. Right here's all the plug and play wires I was talking about. Everything's plug and play when you get the Yamaha parts for the Rmax. I did kind of cheat a little bit. I already took out the plug for the selector mode switch. It just pries out. No screwdriver. Try not to mess up your dash too much. It pops right out. This has got the 2 wires. It pops right in. It's that simple. Now as far as the wiring goes, the wiring, I don't know if you can see or not, these 2 wires here, right here, white one and black one. It plugs into the white plug-in that looks like this clear one, that's white. Take the protective covers off, so it's waterproof, and it plugs into a little black one, 2-wire black one there. You plug that in and you're done. You put this all back together. It's that simple. It probably took me about maybe 10 minutes the whole install. So whenever we get back here, I'm gonna get off here, put this back together. We'll go for a ride. We'll see how it does. Okay guys, we're gonna got everything buttoned up. We're gonna go take this for a little test ride. See how big of a difference this makes. This with the GoPro 9. I got the boost turned off of it, so it's not near the stabilization on it. Right now we're in trail mode. Nice little pick up there, it's a strong response. Don't go in the crawl. It's mainly for walks. I mean, it takes a lot more to get it going. And it really slows down the automatic braking on the Yamaha Rmax. It's almost like a full drive low in a pickup is what it basically turns it into. We're down the road here. We'll need to stop. We're gonna give her some gas, take off. We're in trail mode right now. Trail mode. Now we're gonna switch to sport. Almost like somebody put nitrous in it. If you have the base model, I highly suggest you get that D-mode. It'll give you 3 more basically functions on your side-by-side. If you don't get the D-mode, you're kind of cheating yourself with the side-by-side. You're not getting the full capability out of it. get you that demoed. You will not be disappointed. Y'all have a good time. Have a great week. Thanks for watching Outdoors with Clayton. We'll have more to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next week.